Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm gonna review the latest MIUI Chrome, which is ported from Redmi Note 5 Pro to our Redmi Note 4. It is based on Android 10 and MIUI 12, so a little bit good ROM, but there are some bugs. So let us wait until it boots. I have flashed it just now. Before it I have tested. So as you can see, booted successfully. So let me enter my pattern and let me open it, and here a lot of thing works and something doesn't work. So let me explain you one by one. So this is our system UI guys. As you can see, this is interface of our system UI. Here you can apply themes without any issue. You won't face any bugs. So installation process I will type in description. From there you can install this ROM, and here you will find only single theme installed by which you can use it. So they have removed almost every bloatware. If you want root, you can install Magic separately. This is not really rooted, and there are lock animation also available, as you can see, like this. And unlocking animation, don't know, there is no any animation. And here your fingerprint, face unlock, everything works. So if your fingerprint doesn't work, just clear the data of the settings. So here as you can see, I'm clearing. I haven't also added fingerprint to show you people. So let me open here password and security. Here let me enroll my fingerprint. So here it asks me for fingerprint. So again it is not working. Just don't worry, clear the data of this app again without any issue. So do this 2 to 3 times so that it will be fixed. So don't reboot, rebooting won't fix the issue. So as you can see, I am able to enroll the fingerprint. So you have to clear data of your settings 2 or 3 times, then you will be able to enroll your fingerprint. And here everything works. There is no any issue regarding fingerprint or face unlock. And I am not enrolling face unlock because my device front camera is a little bit blurry, so I can't use face unlock here. And this ROM also support Indonesian and all other languages guys. Without any issue you can use this ROM, and there is no any issue regarding fingerprint. It will be unlocked with a single tap. There is no any issue regarding this. So as you can see, everything works fine here. And you can disable this animation. You can enable MIUI notification status bar, and battery backup is a little bit good. But if you want to use, then you can use MIUI Razer edition, or you can use MIUI Black Shark ported ROM. I will provide that video's link in description. So if you are heavy gamer, then you can use MIUI Black Shark ROM. Otherwise you can use Razer ROM. Both ROM have same features, but Razer ROM have a little bit good features like latest security patch update and etc. Here sound and vibration, everything works here. There is no any issue regarding that. And here always on display works. And here you can customize your lock screen settings, double tap to wake, everything works here. There is no any issues. Here you can customize your lock screen clock format. I have already told in my previous videos also. And you can customize charging animations. Here sound and vibration, everything works. And you can also change your control settings like MIUI. So as you can see, this is the latest MIUI control center. So I don't think that it is useful guys. Just use older one, ignore the latest one, because I am unable to understand the latest one. Here everything works. There is no any issue regarding this. And the first bug I have noticed is this one guys. Here you won't be able to see name of these toggles. Like if you click on this, then only you will be able to see. And second bug is portrait mode in stock camera. So it doesn't matter, no one use camera a lot. So you can go official Redmi Note 4 ports if you want. I am just reviewing this ROM. So here you will find insight about developers information, those who ported this ROM. And here all other stuffs works like Wi-Fi hotspot. And inside the home screen and recent you will find these all of things. You can enable this matrix animation like this. If it will be in columns, so let me show you how it will work. So like this, let me open another app. So this is the animation guys. and you can also customize these things in recent bar. So right now I'm not going to speak here. Face unlock, everything works. I have already told you how to enroll fingerprint, and battery and performance is good. When I flashed this ROM, it was around 89%. I have tested it sometime and everything was fine here. There is no any issue at all, and there is no any problem with this ROM. Everything works here. Inside additional setting you will find all of the older features like language and input region. Here VoLTE also works. There is no any issue regarding VoLTE, and you can make calls reusing your VoLTE. So here, as you can see, mine is Jio SIM card. I am dialing to a customer care. So here, as you can see, there is no any issue regarding VoLTE. And here everything was, you need not to worry. You can use this ROM as daily driver, and full screen gestures and everything works here. You can customize your notification light, and you can customize your speaker settings, like if there are any dust or anything, then you can clear your speakers. So let us see what it works. So it will create sound like this, and it will create your speakers. So I don't think whether it will work, so let us wait until it completes, guys. It's making a loud sound. And guys, this is good feature, guys. If your device falls in water by mistake, then you can use this. So it clears your speakers, dust particles, etc., because it creates a different type of sound which clears your speakers, which sends out dust particles from it. And your game turbo modes works here. There is no any issue regarding that. And here you will find latest MIUI 12, so you will find all our stuffs here. So review of this ROM will be okay, guys. You can use it as daily driver. If you are gamer and if you want good performance, then you can go to MIUI Razer Edition or Black Shark ported ROM. And installation process is pinned or typed in description below. You can see there, and ROM link is also given in description. From there you can download. And right now I'm going to stock because I have to flash another ROM. And thanks for watching the video, guys. If you have any doubts, you can let me know in comment section. If you like the video, then you can like it, otherwise you can dislike it, and let me know in comment section why you disliked the video, so that I can make the changes regarding that. And thanks for watching the video, guys.